What was the third one?
Chili?
Chili. I think it was chili.
Could be.
Everybody's got chili, except for Luxembourg. They one place they don't have chili.
Oh, here, chicken bouillon, chili, and then soup of the day.
I think I might get a wrap. I don't know what wrap I'm gonna get though. I'm gonna get a wrap.
You can.
Grandpa, how does that go?
Fajita.
Fajita wrap.
Fajita. Good.
Yeah.
Arctic orange. And you wanna?
I know. Otherwise, I'll drink it all.
That gonna be it?
That's it.
That's it. 231.
231, yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, Gramps. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Mom.
I know she wanted.
You hit some of the older ones, they're good, but
One girl that used to work for us.
Hey guys, so I'm sorry I keep on forgetting to like vlog, so I'll try my best to remember, but I just keep forgetting, so sorry. Ooh, this is like goals, man. This. You wanna run? So Grandpa's sleeping. We're outside. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's really zoomed in on your face. Grandma's right
By
there.
himself, all of a sudden, huh?
He woke up. He saw. He woke up. He saw us.
He felt the tension of all of us looking at him.
Maybe I better wake up now.
Oh, I got my 10-minute nap.
Probably about all at once. Sometimes those little cat naps are nice.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh, woo! Coming down pretty good. How was your little nap?
Nappy was good.
I got the Bean Boozled challenge. I'm going to film this with people. I'm excited, man. Oh, got all their stuff. Yeah. It is filled back there, man. Look at that.
You must be, what?
Hey guys, so it is the next day, and today we are going to the Packer like family night thing. This is what I'm wearing. So I'm just wearing a flannel that I got from Gorman's, these shorts I got from Target, I think, and then this jersey that just says Clay Matthews on it. It's just from like the Packer shop. So today we're going to Green Bay, and we are going to the Packer family night. I'm going there with my sisters, Weston, Elena, Connor, my mom, my dad, Carrie, and Chris. I think that's the only people that are going to be going. I don't know for sure though. And it's going to be like kind of like an all-day thing. And just saying, I don't know how much footage I'll be able to get, but I'll try my best. All I know, I think that there's like fireworks at the ending. I think. I don't really remember because I think I went there last year, but my mom and dad said that we didn't, but I think we did. And yeah, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can. I'm bringing my selfie stick, but I don't know if I can bring that like into the stadium because they might like take that away. I'll try to vlog for you guys. So yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hand? Here, I'm gonna put this in my backpack. Weston, can you say hi? Hi. Hi.
Connor.
Connor.
Take down the sound.
Now we're good. Hey, where are we going?
Packers.
Packers! Can you do a little crazy dance?
Yay!
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Basketball carry. First contact by Paul. That's his pass.